Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're doing super amazing. I make a couple of videos every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Alrighty, so straight into today's video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you my entire Do You Even collection. So Do You Even is having an end of financial year sale, and it's up to 61% off site-wide. Sale period is 23rd of June to 1st of July, 12 PM aest time. I also have a discount code and a discount link that you can use, and I will be leaving all the details in the description down below along with my measurements. So this is my Do You Even drawer, and we're going to be trying on every single item, seeing what it looks like and the different types of colorways that I have. So let's jump straight in. We're going to start off with some of the seamless sets. The first collection we're going to look at is the Impact Seamless sets. These are one of the earliest sets, and it's one of my absolute favorites. So like I said before, the Impact Seamless sets are definitely one of my favorites. The amazing contouring in all the right places, it's flattering. Props have an open back, unrestricted fit, thin adjustable straps, and they're just super comfy to work out and wear. The leggings are the perfect length, firm, flattering, super quick drying. High waistband that's not only thick but double layered, and it's just so comfy and so flattering. This is in the Scrunch Seamless collection, which I absolutely love as well. So in this collection, you've got the sports crop, the leggings, as well as shorts. Alrighty, time to put these on. Scrunch Seamless, once again, seamless material. Got the contrasting colored edges. Sports crop is a racer back design. It's got the contour lines, thick waistband down the bottom, super flattering. And you've got the shorts and the leggings, which are both high-waisted with, of course, your scrunch on the back and contour lines under the booty to make it pop that little bit more. Color and style is just beautifully made, amazing quality, and it's just so comfy. Next, we've got the Hyperflex Seamless collection. The Hyperflex collection comes in leggings, crop top, long sleeve, as well as shorts that you can mix and match with. These ones, the Hyperflex, as well as Scrunch Seamless and the Impact Seamless, are probably the three, or my top three, that I actually wear the most. Sports crop, super flattering. It's a racer back design as well. And you've got the removable padding underneath, ribbed waistband along the crop top, as well as the leggings. The leggings are high-waisted, they're a perfect length. Very cute, simplistic, minimal sort of design. Because it's comfy, it's flattering, and it comes in just such beautiful colors. Trinity Seamless set. They come in a sports crop, leggings as well as long sleeves. What I love about Do You Even is that it's so easy to mix and match. The colors are just so versatile. The material is compressive, lightweight, as well as quick drying, moisture wicking. Got subtle contouring texture, high-waisted on the leggings, lightweight, breathable, super comfy, and it's such a unique design. The final seamless collection that I have today is the Motion Seamless. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys the hoodies as well since I'm already wearing it. This is the Origin Urban hoodie. It's unisex, it's pretty much a men's oversized fit, but I got this in size small. Let's go try them. So the Motion Seamless, one of their newer releases. These come in such beautiful bright colorways. It's got the ribbed contouring, and you can probably tell on the crop that the neckline is slightly higher, so it does give a bit more support. And then you've got the thick crossback strap design on the back. Got removable cup inserts as well, lightweight, breathable, and then you've got the shorts which are high-waisted with a compressive waistband. It's form-fitting, it's got ribbed textures throughout. This is also such a cute set. So we do have quite a few more to go through. This one I'm going to show you guys is the staple set. So these come in a range of 3. You've got the staple hoodie, the staple crop top, and the staple boxy shorts. I only have the staple crops and the staple shorts here today, and we got this set in the color white as well as blue. They are just so comfy. Staple sets are absolutely a staple, a must-have in your wardrobe. I literally wear these all the time. It's so cozy. It's made of a soft stretch cotton blend. The jumper is a crew neck, cropped style, loose fitting as well, so it's super comfy. And the shorts, high-waisted, drawstrings on the top, a thick elastic waistband, as well as a zip pocket on the side for your phone. Next, I've got these, which is in the Stretch Light collection. Not seamless, but it's so smooth. So these come in shorts, leggings, and a crop. The Stretch Light series are so buttery soft, it actually feels like skin. Lightweight, super soft, form-fitting material, compressive high waistband, really smooth and comfy. Next, we have the XL Plus collection. These colors are so beautiful. They come in 2 different types of crop tops, leggings, and shorts, as well as your matching scrunchies and booty bands. The XL Plus is both flattering and functional. It's cute, it's comfy, it's even got flat, easy glide straps on it. It's high-waisted, it's super smooth, and what I love about it, it's got the matching scrunchie, as well as your resistance band. So adorable. And that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did find it helpful, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. Connect with me in the comment section down below. Love to hear from you. Follow me on Insta if you want to see daily content. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.